Hello everyone. Trigonometry lesson 2. A key inquiry question. How to find the missing angle in right angle triangles using trigonometry. Last lesson we focused on identifying missing side, and in this lesson we're going to identify the missing angle in right angle triangles using trigonometry. The key phrase SOHCAHTOA helps us to identify the formulas of the three trigonometric ratios. Now let's look at the starter questions. Here is your 5 for 5 starter question. Press pause now and attempt the questions on a piece of paper or an exercise book. Once completed, press play to check your answers. Here are the answers. They're also in slide 4 for your reference. Just a quick recap into naming the right angle triangle. Theta is the either angle, one of those two in the right angle triangle. And since a right angle triangle, one angle has to be 90 degrees. Opposite to 90 degrees is hypotenuse and also the longest side. Opposite to theta is your opposite side, and the side next to theta is your adjacent side. Remember, the naming of the sides are given in slide 5 for your reference. Let's look at our first example. Find the value of x to 2 decimal place. Notice here we're trying to find out the missing angle, not the missing side. As usual, first I start naming the sides. Hypotenuse and opposite to the angle x is the opposite side. Notice I haven't labeled the adjacent side because there is no value given or no letter. Now, using this triangle involves O and H, hence it's SOH, sine ratio. So I cover theta because that's the angle we are trying to calculate, which gives us O over H. Sine theta is O over H. Substituting the values gives us sine x equal to 5 over 6. Now, the most important bit, opposite of sine is sine inverse. When you're using your calculator, make sure you press shift and sine. If you're using Chromebook calculator, you must be able to identify sine inverse by clicking on the scientific calculator. Sine inverse of 5 over 6. Ensure you use brackets to avoid any errors. Gives us 56.44 to 2 decimal place. Let's look at another example. First, I label the sides, opposite, hypotenuse. I don't label the unwanted one. I identify the ratio. I cover the right one to identify the formula. Once identified, again sine inverse of 7 over 9, which gives us 51.06 degrees to 2 decimal place. Remember, I have rounded to 2 decimal place and I've made sure I provide the units, which is theta. Using the two examples provided earlier, please find the value of x in this question. Press pause now and attempt the question. Once completed, press play to check your answer. Here is the answer. After naming the sites, I identified it involves cos because it involves A and H. Covering theta provides me the formula. After substituting in the formula, I get cos x. Remember, cos inverse of 14 over 17 in brackets gives us 34.56 degrees. Using the examples provided, please attempt any two of the questions given. Press pause and attempt the question on a piece of paper or an exercise book. Once completed, please press play to reveal the answers. Here I mentioned what ratio to use, and here are the answers. Also, the answers are in slide 13 for your reference. Once completed the examples, you need to open the worksheet Trigonometry Missing Angles worksheet. You need to complete at least 12 questions. Question 1 to 11 are of grade 4 minus, and question 12 and 13 are grade 5. Ensure you type in the working out clearly below each question. You must complete the worksheet and attach the completed worksheet with the assignment. I repeat, you have to attach the completed worksheet with the assignment. Good luck. Let me know if you have any questions.